How is it going, everybody? Welcome to the first day of...
This is 2020. 2020. 2020. 2020. 2020.
That's right. Happy New Year. I wish each and every one of you a very happy New Year. If your dreams didn't come true in 2019, do whatever you have to do to make them come true in 2020. And with that said, here's what's going on in my time, or my life, my channel, whatever you want to look at. If you liked what you saw in 2019, the how-to videos, the modding videos, the DIY videos, the editing videos, the car show videos, all that type of stuff that I have on my channel, the car news, you know, stuff like that. That's what's going on in 2020. That's the plan. Just keep on keeping on, because nothing's guaranteed. It's up to the big man, right? But as far as if I make it to tomorrow, that's what's planned. And there's actual cruise in this weekend, believe it or not. Here we are, first weekend in January, and there's a cruise in. So I'm going to try to go to that, get you some footage for that. If not, you know, it was due to the weather. But with all that said, that's the plans. Nothing major for the channel this year that I have planned right now. I have hopes and dreams that I'm working toward for the channel, for the cars. Will those come to fruition this year? I don't know, can't guarantee it. And I'm not going to tell you what those are just yet. But one thing that I'm doing new, and I'm waiting on it to come in the mail, I hope it gets here today, but it should be here by this weekend, is a little something for my first ever giveaway. It's something that everybody can use. Maybe not right now, but within a month or two, I guarantee you'll be able to use it. And I will wait till it gets here to announce what it is. The rules for the contest are going to be very simple. It's not like everybody else. And yeah, we'll go with that. But I just wanted to get on here and say happy New Year to everybody, give you a quick update of what's going on the channel. Just more of the same. So if that's what you're looking for, please stick around. If it's not, I'm sorry. You know, you might have to substitute what you're looking for from this channel with another channel. You know, money and time, time and money. You don't always have enough of either, right? But until next time, guys, you get out there and enjoy those cars. Happy New Year, and we'll see you in the next one.